Most small YouTubers think they're stuck because of the algorithm, but they're actually missing something much simpler. When your video appears on someone's screen, YouTube has already done its job. The algorithm didn't fail you. The viewer made a choice, and that choice happens in seconds. Most creators focus on uploading more, better editing, or longer videos, but they forget one thing: the viewer doesn't care yet. YouTube doesn't decide what wins, people do. If the outcome of the video isn't obvious or interesting, people scroll. Not because your content is bad, but because they don't know why they should click. Every video needs one clear promise, not 10 tips, not a vague lesson, one reason to watch. When that's clear, clicks go up, watch time improves, and YouTube pushes the video further. If your channel feels stuck, this is one of the first things to fix. I'm learning this while building my own channel and sharing what actually works. If you're growing from zero, you're exactly where you should be.